Patching the elusive man through, Commander.
Shepard, we caught a break. I intercepted a distress call from the Turians were wiped out, but not before they crippled. I need you to board that ship and get some hard data on the collectors. Find us a way to get
Hard to
to
imagine how a Turian patrol could take out a collector's ship.
Reports indicate the hull's intact, but all systems seem to be offline. They could be making repairs as we speak. I'm not saying it won't be dangerous, but we can't let an opportunity like this slip by.
If they had a patrol out there, why aren't the Turians sending a recon team in?
They will, eventually, but I intercepted the transmissions. In the meantime, we're feeding them full. You're close enough that you can be in and out before the Turians learn the truth.
You sure this information's good?
Information is my weapon, Shepard.
Send me the coordinates and I'll take...
Once you're aboard the ship, establish an uplink with Edie. Good luck, Shepard.
Coordinates punched in. Let's go find us a collector.
We have a visual on the collector ship, Commander.
Very low emissions. Passive infrared temperatures suggest most systems are offline. Thrusters are cold.
That thing is massive. How the hell did the Turians take it out?
Radar scans do not detect any hull breaches on the side facing us. I detect no mass effect field distortions. It appears the drive core is offline.
Rendezvous in 30 seconds, Commander. Good luck.
Never saw a ship like this before.
Looks like a giant insect hive.
Penetrating scans have detected an access node to uplink with collector databanks. Marking location to your hardsuit computer. Shepard, I've compared the ship's EM signature to known collector profiles. It is the vessel you encountered on Horizon.
Maybe the defense towers softened it for the Turians.
Maybe the missing people are aboard. If they're still alive.
These are the same containers the collectors used on Horizon. Only these are empty.
Being trapped in something like this. Completely at the mercy of the collectors.
This is horrible.
Why would the collectors just leave a pile of bodies lying around?
They could have been used for testing. If they were a control group, they would have been discarded at the
There
end.
are worse things than death.
Is that supposed to make me feel better?
Dead is dead. That's a collector. Are you saying those bastards even experimented on one of their own?
Edie, I'm uploading the data from this terminal. See if you can figure out what they were up
Data
to.
received. Analyzing. The collectors were running baseline genetic comparisons between their species and humanity.
Are they looking for
I have no
similarities?
hypothesis on their motivations. A quad-strand genetic structure identical to traces collected from ancient ruins. Only one race is known to have this structure.
God.
These are no longer Prothean, Shepard. The Reapers have repurposed them to suit their
Reapers
needs.
didn't wipe out the Prothean. Still, they're working for the Reapers
They're not
now.
doing to us what they
Let's
did
find
to
what
the
we need before the collectors come to salvage this vessel. Move out.
Look, on the ceiling. Or those weird pods.
There must be hundreds of them. How many do you think are full?
Too many.
I detect no signs of life in the pod, Shepard. It is probable the victims inside died when the ship lost primary power.
This looks interesting.
Commander, you gotta hear this. On a hunch, I asked Edie to run an analysis on this ship.
I compared the EM profile against data recorded by the original Normandy 2 years ago. They are an exact match.
The same ship dogging me for 2 years? Way beyond coincidence.
Something doesn't add up, Commander. Watch your back.
Holy shit. They could take every human in the Terminus systems and not have enough to fill these pods.
They're going to hit Earth.
Not if we stop them.
There, on the platform. It looks like some kind of control panel.
Where are the bodies of the collector crew? Careful, Shepard. Something doesn't...
Edie, I'm setting up a bridge between you and the collector ship. See if you can get anything useful from the databanks.
Data mine in progress, Shepard.
That can't be good.
What the hell just happened?
Major power surge. Everything went dark.
I managed to divert the majority of the Shepard, it was not a malfunction.
We need a little help here, Edie.
I am having trouble maintaining connection. There's someone else in the system. override any systems.
And you better get it done fast, Edie.
We got company.
Enemies in front! Here we go!
Assuming direct control. Assuming control of this form.
Shields have failed.
This hurts you.
41% complete. Come on, Edie, speed it up. Another platform coming in. Found that one. Now let's finish you off.
There's no fear. Your form is fragile.
No shields. Come here. To the left. Found that one.
Yeah, I'm done. Okay.
Found that one. Firing now. Lost shields. 84%. 80, get us out of here.
I am simultaneously fighting collector firewalls at over 8,000 nodes. I am tasked to capacity.
Here they come again.
You're assuming
Taking
control.
fire.
Focus on Shepard.
I got it.
You cannot resist. I will find you again.
Watch the landing.
Felt that one.
Shepard, you must manually re-establish my link to the command console. Shepard, you must manually re-establish my link to the command console.
I have regained control of the platform, Shepard.
I knew you wouldn't let us down, Edie.
I always work at optimal capacity.
Did you get what we needed?
I found data that would help us successfully navigate the Omega-4 relay. I have also found a Turian distress call that served as the lure for this trap. The collectors were the source. It is unusual.
It seems logical to me that they would have sent the initial message as bait.
No, it is unusual because Turian emergency channels have secondary encryption. It is corrupted in the message. It is not possible that the elusive man would believe the distress call was genuine.
Why are you so sure?
I found the anomaly with Cerberus detection protocols. He wrote them.
He knew it was a trap? Why would he send us into a trap?
We don't have time to throw blame around. We'll question him when we're
I
out.
knew Cerberus would screw me again. I'm gonna crush his head.
No, the commander's right. There must be some other explanation.
Commander, we got another problem. The collector ship is powering up.
You need to get out of there before their weapons come online. I'm not losing another Normandy.
I do not have full control of their systems. I will do what I can. Sending coordinates for shuttle extraction.
Come on, let's move.
Around the corner, take the door on your right.
You're assuming control. We are the harbinger of your destiny. If I must tear you apart, Shepard, I will. This hurts you. Face your annihilation. My attack will tear you apart. must tear you apart, Shepard, I will.
Affirmative.
If I
I'm on
must tear you apart, Shepard, I will.
Trouble ahead.
Direct intervention is necessary.
I'm opening a door on the far side of the room.
My attack didn't work.
80, we got a problem here.
A temporary setback on firewall 3217. Rerouting commands through firewall 7164.
Attack didn't work. Firing now. On our right. Gotcha. My attack didn't work. Here we go. Understood.
On it.
I'm on it. That was ineffective. Now let's finish you off. Mount that one. Now let's finish you off. Affirmative.
No sweat.
Attack didn't work.
My shields are down.
I got it.
Hold your fire, Shepard.
Put this down. That was ineffective.
keep it open as long as I can.
Down there. Isn't that where we came in?
We must be getting close to the end.
This looks interesting.
To the right.
Assuming control of this form.
Commander, I hate to rush you, but those weapons are about to come online. I want to leave before they blow the Normandy in half.
I can take you.
We're out of time, Commander. We have to go.
You heard the man. Everybody onto the Normandy. Move!
Strap in, people. I'm gonna make them work for it this time. I can't dodge this guy forever, Edie. Get us the hell out of here.
Specify a destination, Mr. Morrow.
Anywhere that's not here.
Very well. Engaging Mass Effect core.
Call coming in from the Elusive Man, Commander. I figured you were.
Shepard, looks like Edie extracted some interesting data before the collector ship came back online.
Edie told us the distress call originated from the collectors.
We're at war. The collectors are taking humans and
I know the stakes, but we're supposed to...
Without that information, we don't reach the collect. It was a trap. But I was confident in your abilities. And don't forget Edie. The
You could have
collectors-
told me the plan. You
I
say
needed
I'm
the
a-
collectors to believe they had the upper hand. Besides, I wouldn't have sent you in if I didn't think you could succeed.
I don't risk people.
You may not like being on the receiving end. As much as we try to avoid them, but more important, Edie confirmed our suspicions. The Reapers and Collector ships use an advanced identify friend. All we need to do is get our hands on one of those IFFs.
I was just on the collector ship. Why didn't you say anything
As
about
I said, Edie just confirmed it. Besides, you wouldn't have had... An Alliance science team recently determined that the Great Rift, a very old mass accelerator, I said it, the weapon was defunct, but it helped us plot the flight path of the intended target. We found it damaged and trapped in the gravity of a brown dwarf.
Aren't brown dwarfs basically
Simply
stars?
put, but accurate. They're gas giants that don't quite have the masses of... The Reaper has a mass effect field that keeps it in orbit, likely an automated response to the... It's stable, but I won't call it safe. This vessel is a relic from a battle waged while There's no trace of the species that took the shot. Perhaps it was their one moment of defiance before being wiped out.
I get the feeling this isn't going to be a simple
We lost
swing.
contact with Dr. Chandana's team. Initial reconnaissance revealed no clues, and it was too... I'll forward the... In the meantime, I suggest you tell your crew it will make things easy.
Edie, tell the crew to assemble.
Of course, Shepard.
So the elusive man didn't sell us out. Could have fooled me.
Lied to us, used us, needed access to the collector databanks. Necessary risk.
There really wasn't any other choice. Let's just
My analysis. I have also determined the approximate location of the collector homeworld based on navigational data from their vessel.
That can't be right.
better run the diagnostics, Joker.
My calculations are correct. The collector.
The core is just black holes and exploding suns.
Could be an artificial construction. Space station protected by
Even
power.
the collectors don't have that kind of technology.
The collectors are just servants of our real enemy. They built the mass relays and the Citadel. Who's to say? No wonder nobody's ever returned from a trip through the
The
Omega.
logical conclusion is that a small safe zone exists. Standard relay transit protocols would not allow safe transport. Drift of several. The Reaper IFF must trigger the relay to use more advanced encrypted protocols.
This thing is our best shot at getting through
It's
the
a
Omega.
derelict Reaper. What if the collectors are waiting for us? We may want to build up our
The
team.
more people we have on our side, the better our
It's your
chances.
call, Commander. Whatever you decide, we're with you. I hope we can clear. Was there anything else? Just eager to get
Let's
going.
just talk
We've got a
a bit.
good thing, Shepard. Let's not push.
We'll talk later.
Shepard.
Commander, you've received a new message at your private terminal.